welcome to Valley Soap's YouTube channel. Today we are working on a collab soap and I'm so excited with the results of how it turned out. It is beautiful. You're a goober. Okay, so the collaboration is made with Glenda. She made watermelon slices out of soap dough. They are absolutely so pretty and they look real. So it just goes perfect with the soap. You guys should visit her channel. I'll leave her info in the box down below. So really quick before we get into it, I just wanted to remind you guys that if you're watching this video the first day it's released, then exactly 1 week from now, our July release will take place. So yes, that means the July release will take place on July 4th, on the holiday. Yes, that's right. Yeah, see, everybody go check it out. There's all kinds of fun goodies for July. Since we didn't have the June release, all of what was supposed to be released in June was added to the July. So I think there's like so many different soaps. There's not really a theme. We're going to start doing themes and I'm super excited. I've been working very hard on coming up with new soap designs and my notebook is starting to fall apart. I've been carrying that spiral notebook, one subject notebook everywhere I go and just whipping it out every time I have an idea or something just, you know, lights up in my head. So I'm super excited about that. I don't have a time yet, but it will most likely be morning time, so probably like 8 or 9 o'clock Central Time. So that will be Saturday on July 4th. Yes. See, we're all ready for our July release. Yay! We're so excited for the holiday too, so that's gonna be fun. Yeah, so do you want to make some soap? Do you want to make some soap like mommy? Huh? Alright guys, so we're going to get right into it. Y'all enjoy the video. Bye. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, I've already used our heat transfer method to melt down the hard oils, and I have added our liquid oils as well. So I'm going to give this a very, very quick stick blend. And then I'll show you how we do the layers for our watermelon lime soap. So the first layer of our soap will obviously be the dark green and lighter green for the watermelon rind. And we're actually going to do a little bit extra of the darker green because I'm going to save some for the top of our soap. This soap is in collaboration of Glenda and her soap business. And I will link her YouTube channel below. But she has so very kindly made soap dough watermelon slices to go on top as embeds. So I'm super excited to use those today. So I'm using Kelly Green Mica from Brambleberry. So we're also adding a little bit of activated charcoal for our dark green. And I can always add more if it's not dark enough for me. And just very quickly, I will blend this on low. Now for the next little layer, I'm going to add some white to the darker green. For the last layer of our soap, we will be using magenta mica and red vibrance. And the last thing to add to this layer would be our poppy seeds. Are back to do the piping for our watermelon lime soap. I just kind of mixed up a couple of the greens here and just cut off a little in here just to, I'm hoping I can achieve like a vine look. Can't wait to add on those little watermelon slice embeds. Those are going to look gorgeous on top of this soap. Now for the most favorite part of this soap, I'm going to add our embeds. Glenda made these. She does Soaps by Glenda. She has a Facebook page. You can look her up, Soaps by Glenda on Facebook. And she also has a YouTube. And look how beautiful these are. These are gorgeous. Like, look at the pretty. Looks just like real watermelons. Okay. So I'm gonna pop these on top right here.